Can you just kind of briefly talk about, again, the scope of research that went into producing such quality market analysis report like this?
Sure, Lucas. Thanks for that question, and really great to be able to provide the value that we see here. So the scope is really first to carve out the main segments that ESG is addressing, environmental, social, and corporate governance, in terms of the solutions capabilities, versus the larger constellation of sustainability-related solutions that are being leveraged by, industrial and commercial asset owner-operators. So that larger constellation is everything from, carbon accounting to environmental health and safety software, as well as things that help to inform the evaluation of risk that overlap partially with the ESG side, but sometimes go outside of that as well. So we also focus on the actual asset owner operators and the use cases for their improving their carbon footprints and meeting their long-term decarbonization goals, and also enabling the full, not only scope 1 and 2, but scope 3 up and down the supply chain.